And one day, I was going to a session on North King Street in Dublin. And I was really anxious to get there, and I was walking quite fast, so I had the guitar on my back. And with bang, I got a panic attack, and it was a severe one. What's happening when you have a panic attack is you've repressed all this emotion inside you, all this fear. It's like a volcano, and the volcano erupts. The fear comes to the surface. It's like you're drowning. You immediately try to grab something. So your brain tells you you're having a heart attack, or you're having a stroke, or you're having some kind of seizure. It's terrifying. So they phoned for an ambulance for me, and I was taken to Jervis Street Hospital. And a doctor came in and examined me, and pretty much, I had had a panic attack. Said to lie there until I felt better, then I could leave. The pub I was going to wasn't too far away. And I think I guzzled 6 or 7 pints within an hour, just to, to feel normal.